Jack and Gracie playing. Kittens are so cute. Be nice, Jack. What? I'm recording Jack and Gracie playing on the bed here. Videotaping them. She's on her back and he's on the top. She's just getting him kind of good. His tail is just flipping back and forth and his ears are back. He tries to look. Oh, now he's walking off. Tries to get up and look like I'm trying to leave you alone, and she's like, play with me, damn it. There she goes. There he goes over there to you. Toby with you?
No.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm getting this on tape. Where are you going? Oh, don't get on my computer. Get your booty away from there.
See that to me earlier.
She's headed your way. She's gonna go over there and mess with Jack, I think. No? Look at this. She's sitting right up on your shoulder, right next to your neck, isn't she?
Yep.
That is too cute. Look. You getting her to play with your fingers?
No. She's comfortable.
Oh.
You see that?
Yeah. I see her. I see Jack. And your hand is in front of your face.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you too.
Okay, I'll stop it now.